Foreign diplomats along with their families visited the Takh-i-Bahi archaeological sites here on Saturday. Provincial Minister Mohammed Atif Khan also accompanied them. On the occasion, Director Archaeology Dr. Abdul Samad briefed the foreigners about the historical sites and their preservation. The delegation comprised Mr. Leopoldo, Ambassador of Argentina, Mr. Susanpio, Ambassador of South Korea, Mr. Manuel Duran, Ambassador of Spain, Mr. Mohamed Kermaoun, Ambassador of Morocco, and other foreign guests. The diplomats appreciated the steps taken by the provincial government to preserve archaeological sites and promote religious tourism. They promised encouraging their countrymen to visit these historical and religious sites of Buddhist community. On the occasion, Mr. Atif told the delegates and media persons that Pakistan was a beautiful country having attractive and historical places like Takht-i-Bahi. The government is taking measures to create employment opportunities through promotion of religious tourism, he said. The minister said under a Rs 700 million World Bank project, a museum, souvenir shops, a park and a cafeteria were being constructed at the Takh-i-Bahi site. He said the provincial government was constructing a megapark on a 400 km of land on the Mardan Ring Road. He also claimed 3 playgrounds had been completed in different parts of the district. The Buddhist ruins of Takht-i-Bahi, Throne of Origins, are a monastic complex, founded in the early 1st century AD, is spectacularly positioned on various hilltops ranging from 36.6 meters to 152.4 meters in height, typical for Buddhist sites. The complexes cover an area of around 33 hectares. The Buddhist monastery was in continual use until the 7th century AD. It is composed of an assemblage of buildings and is the most complete Buddhist monastery in Pakistan. The buildings were constructed of stone, in Gandhara patterns, diaper style, using local, dressed and semi-dressed stone blocks set in a lime and mud mortar. Today the ruins comprise a main stupa court, votive stupas court, a group of 3 stupas, the monastic quadrangle with meditation cells, conference hall, covered stepped passageways, and other secular buildings. The second component, the neighboring city remains at Sarai Balal, is located approximately 5 kilometers away in a fertile plain. The Sarai Balal ruins are the remnants of a small ancient fortified town of the Kushan period. The town is set on an elongated mound,